Hey guys, Chef Redbeard here with another amazing smoothie recipe for you guys. Today we'll be making the Lymph Mover Smoothie. This is another easy recipe for you guys to follow. If you're on any of the Dherbs cleanses, this will be perfect as a snack or meal replacement. For this recipe, you're going to need few ingredients. Some frozen cranberries, 1 cup of frozen blueberries, 1 small orange peeled and cut, 1 cup of frozen raspberries, and 1 frozen banana. I also have a little trick for you guys to show you how to peel a banana. We're also going to be using the blood and lymphatic formula from Dherbs. So, trick for the banana. Most of us have always peeled the banana from the top, which is connected to the vine. Researchers have shown, and they've studied animals, monkeys specifically, they peel the fruit from the bottom. What this does is leave those strings or those strands of protein still attached to the skin, so you don't have to comb through and peel it off. It's just a little tip, little trick. It works. I like it. Okay, so I promised you guys a super simple smoothie. Here it is. Into our blender. Always work smarter, not harder. Blender to you. Frozen cranberries in the blender. Frozen raspberries. Frozen blueberries. Frozen bananas. That trick was awesome, you have to admit it. And that 1 orange. Our blood and lymphatic formula from Dherbs. And lastly, about 3/4 cups. Again, I'm going to reserve some to a cup of ice cold water, just to get it moving in your blender. Add the lid. Start on low, increase it to high until it's smooth and viscous. If you guys notice, I'm checking the stopper for the viscosity of the smoothie. This is a quick tip if you have, instead of opening the lid, sticking a spoon in, you can kind of check it. In culinary, we call it nappe. If you can draw a line directly through and it holds on both sides, that means it's ready. So, let us pour up. This is a bright, beautiful color, almost like maroon, burgundy. It smells amazing. The banana, I can smell the orange, but I'm seeing these bright, beautiful colors from the raspberry, from the blueberry. I'm probably gonna drink this, but I have to get this part out first. If you like this recipe, would like to see more, make sure you like, share, subscribe. Hit the bell icon in the bottom corner, and you can follow us at www.dherbs.com/Chef Redbeard. That's me.